crispy garlic Parmesan shrimp. Your eyes are not deceiving you. This is next level, next stratosphere. This is out of this world. Tons of flavor, so much going on, and I can't wait for you to try it out for yourselves. It's a very easy recipe, and I'm gonna make it so simple for you to follow along with me. So we're not gonna waste any time. We're gonna get right into it. So let's get started. So these are the ingredients that we will be working with today, and don't worry at all, every single one will be listed down in the description box to make it nice and easy when you're getting this recipe together. So we have our all-purpose flour in this bowl, and to that we are gonna add this dry seasoning blend. Go ahead and get it in there. Now we are gonna add in some hot sauce as well as 1 large egg. And the secret to getting this nice crispy crust is club soda. Go ahead and get that in there as well. Get yourself a whisk and do your thing, go crazy. Have this mixed up oh so proper. Have all those flavors talking to one another just like so. You should have a consistency like this once you're done. Now we are gonna add in our shrimp. Go ahead and toss them in the bowl just like so. And you want to go ahead and get your hands dirty. Go ahead and mix them up and get them all up in this pool of goodness. So here we have a little breading station set up. Next to our batter, I have a bowl of all-purpose flour that's just plain, nothing in it at all. So we are going to grab our shrimp, shake off the excess, drop it right in this plain flour. And I am doing 2 batches because I do not want to overcrowd my fryer. As you can see, I'm just gonna toss our shrimp in this plain flour just like so. Make sure all of our shrimp are well coated up, okay? Now, once our shrimp are good to go, we're gonna shake off the excess flour and we are gonna drop them right in this oil and get these bad boys going. We have our oil heated up to about 350 degrees. That's very important as well because you want to have a very nice temperature so it could get nice and crispy and not soggy, you know, just that perfect breading, not too hot, not too cold, you know what I'm saying? 350 is that perfect temperature. And go ahead and get these in there and let them fry up for about 5 to 6 minutes. It's shrimp, it cooks very quickly. You want them nice and golden brown when they come out. And I know you guys are gonna have the question, can you try this in your air fryer? Personally, I have not tried this breading in the air fryer, but what I have noticed is when it comes to air frying with a breading, usually a very, very light breading is the way to go when it comes to air frying. And this is a little bit more on the heavier side. Again, I haven't tried it yet, I plan to. But this is more of, you know, tossing it in the oil and letting it go. And this is the end result once your shrimp are all fully cooked, looking nice, crispy, and beautiful. Moving on, we have about 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Very important, unsalted, because you don't want to add too much sodium to your dish. Also, I added a little bit of minced garlic and some fresh parsley. I'm gonna go ahead and give that a mix just like so. It takes no time at all. And it is time to get our shrimp coated up in all this goodness. Again, I'm doing 2 batches because I don't have a big enough bowl. I'm sorry guys. So I'm dropping a little bit of that butter and that garlic. Go ahead, get that on there, and I'm gonna go ahead and give that a little bit of a toss just like so. Having it coated up in all of that goodness, the butter, the garlic, got it coated up in there. Now I'm gonna drop in a handful of some grated Parmesan cheese and I'm gonna give it a toss again. And once that's done, I'm gonna set it to the side and then do the secondary batch of shrimp that I have. Repeating the process, dropping in the butter along with the garlic, tossing it, and then again dropping in a handful of some Parmesan cheese. And that's all it takes to have some of the best shrimp you will ever taste in your life. It is that good. I am not trying to exaggerate. I'm being 100% honest. This is so freaking good. I'm trying not to use no cuss words to explain the level of goodness you're gonna get right here. You know what I'm talking about? This is so delicious. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and plate up and just enjoy this wonderful, crispy, flavorful dish you have right here. I can't wait for you to try it out for yourselves again. Like I said, when you do, make sure to come back in the comments and let me know what you thought about the dish. I know you're gonna enjoy it. I know whoever you give it to are gonna love it just as much as I did. And I just can't wait for you to try it. So thank you all for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Deuces.